Hey guys, welcome back. This video is about uh, re-clearing headlamps. Now, I cleared these lamps back probably 2 years ago, and you can see clear's peeling off for some reason. It's working its way down. I don't know why it's peeling off. You can see over here, it's definitely got a situation going on here. It's just coming off a little bit at a time. Seems like the moisture's gotten under it or something's going on. I'm not sure. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to redo these without taking them out of the car. So to start, I'm just going to wash. There's dirt down in here. I'm going to try to wash off as much as I can with some soap and water. And here's the idea that I got. Up here where it's all flaked off, get on that with some 1500. I think I got 1500, if not 1000. And then the lower section down here, 2000 grit, and then get everything taped in good and clean and wipe down. I'm going to spray. I think what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to spray some adhesion promoter, some clear adhesion promoter over top of the cut area here where it's flaked away, and then re-clear both of these lamps. That's what the video is about today, guys. Okay, got some soapy water, a piece of gray Scotch-Brite, because I don't think that's gonna hurt anything, because it's pretty much the same as, using 1000 grit, because you use it on clear blends, right? So, oh yeah, that's taking off that flaky clear pretty good. Getting down in there, nice. Just gonna get everything a good wash. Trying to get the dirt off of it. Don't want to clear over the dirt. Oh yeah, talking about dirt. Over there, I don't know if you guys can see that. All that brown stuff there, that's my drain in front of the garage door. Keep the water away. Helps keep the pad from freezing and cracking and shifting. Yeah, all that brown dirt, that's from the project across the road. It just blows in here. Just getting this all washed up real good. I'll do the other side and give it a good rinse. Okay, so got some 1000 grit, a bucket of water, a piece of Scotch-Brite. I'm just going to wrap that around so that I can, work it. I don't need a block for this. Got a squirt bottle with some water in it in case I need it. I'm just going to try to work the edge down around here with the 1000 grit around the Scotch-Brite. Just kind of, I'm going to try to just blend that out a little bit. Well, hopefully this all works out for me. So I'm going to work away at this and then I'll bring you back, okay? Alright, so gone over the whole thing, 1000 grit. Got a pretty decent transition going on here. Of course, this is clear, this is the plastic. That's why it looks a little different. Now, I definitely got some of the nice transition here compared to over here, which I haven't done yet. It's very rough, very jagged. I think you guys can see that. I'm going to carry on, do this lamp, catch it up to that lamp. Okay, so 1000 grit followed by 1500 is what I ended up with. I'm going to let that dry up and then pull it into the front of the garage and mask it all in and get it ready for a fresh coat of clear. So I got Stuff kind of taped in here. I love using an old blanket for covering the windshield for a little job like this. You can see the lamps. Hope you can see they're all nice and foggy. Now they need wiped down. Now I do not recommend putting wax and silicone remover on raw scratched up plastic. If you have some window cleaner, that works good. Things of that nature. I'm going to use some good old Polaris isopropylene fuel de-icer. Basically it's alcohol. So I'm going to give that a shot, give it a wipe down just to get the greasy fingerprints off. That's all you're looking for. You're not looking for anything else really. Now I do highly recommend taking the lamps out of the vehicle. The last time I did this, I blew a bulb in the lamp right away, and the clear had bridged along the edge of the bumper here, and it was a real pain in the ass getting the lamp out without screwing up the bumper, which is a little chipped away here because of that. Okay, so I'm going to use this stuff here. Multi-tie adhesion promoter tie coat by Transtar. This stuff's pretty good. If you got like some really nice polished aluminum rims and you don't want them to dull out, you can put that right on there and clear them. Apparently, I heard through the grapevine. Anyway, don't take my word for it. So yeah, I'm going to shoot a coat of that on. 15 minutes and hit it with some clear in the minigun. I've had people ask me about this little minigun. This is one of the guns from this 3-gun set. So this is a 1.7, this is a 1.4. Now they aren't true HVLPs, there's no way. And this is like, I think, a 0.8. You get all 3 guns for, depending on where you live, I think I got these for like $60 on sale. They're good for shooting first run primer. You can't go wrong. And once, once the seals shit the bed, well, you throw them in the fucking scrap bin. That's the way it works. Now, they did come with aluminum cups. I changed them over to plastic. I like plastic ones better. But, this little guy still got that on there. Now, this guy works really good if you overpressure him. I mean, he's supposed to run down at like 5 to 10 PSI. I like turning him up to about 20. Gives a good atomization for a little job just like these headlamps. Alright, so I'm using Pure Reflections Clear, medium activator. Now I don't need much. I probably only need about an ounce, maybe less. So I got out a little plastic measuring cups. I'm going to fill that up to the 20 milliliter mark here with clear, and then up to the 25 mil mark, so that'll be 4 to 1, just like it's supposed to be. That'll give me almost an ounce. 30 mils is pretty much an ounce. Give it a stir. Not even going to strain it. Just dump it in the gun and shoot it. Alright guys, so looks like it turned out pretty good. 2 coats of clear on there. Hopefully the adhesion promoter will help this layer stick on better than it did the first time. But this is quite the simple job that you can do at home, in your driveway or in your garage or wherever you happen to be. You don't have to have a spray gun to do something like this. You can buy that Max Clear The 2K has a little popper in the bottom, and do a simple job like this pretty cheap. So this took me about, that one over there looking pretty good too. So this little job took probably maybe an hour at the most, start to finish. Now it's going to sit in the garage here for about, you know, 2-3 hours, and then you know, peel the paper all off and back it out in the driveway, and good to go. So thanks for watching. Hope you maybe picked something up, maybe learned a little something. Hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell. Got videos coming out all the time.